Download the Blender XR build and unzip it. Download the driver for your VR system and place it in the unzipped folder. Connect your Quest with a cable or with AirLink. Load Blender XR and in VR go to Window, New VR Window. Hold both grip buttons to navigate, or fly by holding the left Y button. Select, deselect and move selections with the right trigger. Press down the left thumbstick to cycle through selection modes. Move the left thumbstick left to delete and move it right to make a linked duplicate. Push either thumbstick forward for the tool menu. Select the tool and use it with the left trigger. Undo or redo by moving the right thumbstick left or right. If you like this tip, you'll also like the Blender Secrets ebook, with more than 1,000 pages and more on the way. By clicking on a topic in the index, you're transported to the relevant pages. And clicking on the link at the bottom of the page takes you back to the index of 400 plus topics. To see the corresponding video on a topic, simply click on the topic title. Updates are always free for customers both on Gumroad and Blender Market.